Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
Hey guys, how you doing? Jack Scalfani here. It's time to do another episode of Cooking with Jack. First, I want to tell you, so I saw this viral recipe, and I thought, this is the perfect recipe. Everybody loves this, and everybody can do this. No more buying it at the fast food place. So, let's check it out. Come in close. Let me show you the ingredients. This is one of those recipes I got excited about. You know, I get excited about all my recipes, but when I think daily about filming, it excites me even more. So, anyway, I've been waiting all week for today. So, come in close. Let's run down the ingredients. Basic stuff you got at home. Okay, so this is a recipe I'm going to make double the batch. So you're going to see me cook a lot of meat. You can do 1 pound of meat, 2 pounds. It's in the single recipe down below. But I'm making a tray for Jack and Brianna, and I'm making a tray for Tammy and her work. So, should be fun. Let's put it all together. So you got your meat, which I got more meat off to the side. This is 2 pounds. We're going to do 2 pounds of meat on one tray. We got lime chips. You can use regular tortilla chips if you want. Refried beans. We're going to put 1 can on a tray. Little Taco Bell mild sauce. We got 2. We might as well keep it Taco Bell, right? We got 2 Taco Bell seasoning taco packs. We also have, Tammy's madly in love with this. It's called avocado hot sauce. She freaks over it. It's that good. Tortillas, and I think that's it. Oh, I'm sorry. Can't forget our cheese. All right, let's fire up this little Dutch oven so we can brown, or stock pot, whatever you call it, so we can brown our meat. There you go. This is going to take a bit, so we'll see in a few minutes. Alright, so first thing we're going to do, just treat the pan, butter it, flour it, however you want to grease it. I'm just using this olive oil spray. Alright, so we're going to, I'm making 2 of these, okay? So you were going to lay, we're going to start at the end, lay them halfway, like that. Make sure they're all covered halfway. Okay? There's obviously going to be a gap in the middle. We'll get to that in a minute. Halfway. Okay. You're going to place one of these tortillas right in the middle like that. Okay? So now you got a bed here. Let's get this down a little bit more. There we go. Make sure there's no holes. Got a nice bed. Now go ahead and get your meat. And then you're going to take half. I'm going to take half the meat because the other half is going to the other tray. Take half the meat. Place it on here. Get it all pressed around. I'm going to grab, because refried beans never come out loose. They always come out solid. Put that there. Cheese it to your liking. I obviously like a lot of cheese, so I'm going to Taco Bell mild. A little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there. I don't know how fast it comes out. Grab some chips and crush them up. These are a little lime flavored, so they're going to add more. Take another tortilla and put sour cream all over it. Okay. There you go. There you go. Take that tortilla, lay it right in the middle. Press down, get it nice and firm. Then you're going to fold these in. There we go. Then you can take another cookie sheet and you're going to place it right on top. Keep it flat. Give it a press down. Keep it flat. And then I will have the time and temp on the screen for you. You're going to throw that in the oven and make the second tray, if you're doing another tray, the same way. All right?
All right, guys. Looking up close, it looks pretty crispy, pretty good. We cooked it for 20 minutes, then pulled the top cookie sheet off and cooked it for another 5. Came out nice. It's got a beautiful color. So anyway, let's give that a try and see how it is. All right, guys. Tammy's already tried it, some of it. It's falling apart on my hand here. Let's give it a try. Hot. It's spot on. It's exactly like the kind you get, if not better, than the fast food. You can now make it home. There you go, rip-off recipe. I'm excited. It came out just like I thought. It's amazing. Give it a try. Super easy. The only thing I didn't add was lettuce. You can put grass on it if you want. Not a big fan. Make it however you want. See you on the next episode.